What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today's Self-Help Care presenting a new video about rice water. After seeing this video, you may not watch rice water in future because in this video I will share the benefits of rice water. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Help Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, benefits of rice water. You probably have had rice water as a child or when you were really sick. You might not have enjoyed the taste, but this humble concoction has various health benefits. First benefit is a good source of energy. Rice water is rich in carbohydrates and an excellent source of energy. The body can easily derive energy by breaking down carbohydrates. Drink a glass of rice water in the morning before heading out and you will never feel dizzy or weak due to lack of energy. Prevents constipation. It is rich in fiber and facilitates smooth bowel movement. Also, the stretch stimulates the growth of useful bacteria in the stomach, promoting healthy bowel movement. Prevents dehydration. On a hot sunny day, rice water becomes your go-to drink. In summer, the body tends to lose water and soars through sweat, and rice water helps replenish it. Home remedy for viral infections. Rice water is widely used as a remedy for fever as it prevents water loss due to fever and vomiting during an infection. Can manage diarrhea. Rice water proves to be an excellent home remedy to treat diarrhea. Not only in adults but also infants. Infants are more prone to disease like this and if not treated at the right time can lead to severe dehydration. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.